Today we are going to draw something on computer screen. So let's start. What is this?
Rectangle shape.
Okay. So what are you trying to draw? What exactly it is?
I'm trying to draw Chandrayaan satellite and rocket.
Chandrayaan satellite. Okay. It's a kind of rocket. Are you going to draw a rocket?
Rocket and satellite.
Rocket and satellite. Okay. Let's start with it. Okay.
This is triangle shape.
Okay.
The top of the rectangle.
Okay. Next.
Next, let me see.
What are you going to?
Next is oval. You can-
Oval. Okay.
You can make the oval as your circle, like this. You can draw it small or big, like you can draw 3 or 2. If you like, you can draw 3.
Okay. So you have drawn 2 circles. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Next is the satellite. For that, first we need rectangle
Again rectangle.
to make it square. Because there is no square shape, that is I am choosing rectangle.
Okay.
From like this. And we are done.
You're done.
Not fully, just the rectangle. Square is
Okay. With the shape, we are done. Right?
yes. Then we are gonna do the wings like this.
What is it?
The wings of the satellite.
Wings of the satellite. Okay. Nice. So my student is going to draw this. As you can see, now he's drawing wings of the satellite. So it is satellite, right?
Yes. Now I need straight line.
Straight line you need.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You took straight line.
Like
And-
this. And need oval to make a circle.
You need oval.
To make a circle on the top of the line.
Okay. Nice. Let's do it. Okay, we are done with that circle on the top of the line.
Yes. Done.
Done.
Now
Now?
it's time to do the glass and some design.
The legs. Okay. Okay, we are excited to watch that.
To make the design, you need rounded rectangle, not normal rectangle. This is normal rectangle and this is rounded rectangle.
Which?
This one,
Okay.
not this one. This is normal and this is rounded rectangle.
Okay, fine. Start. Nice. This is glass.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, this was a robot, but I'm doing the glass. Give some stars on this outside because it was space.
It's space. So you are going to draw some stars
I will
around
draw-
this. Huh?
Yes, 5-point star. There are four stars. One is 4-point star, one is normal or 5-point star, another is 6-point star.
Acha.
6-point star is not normal star. 5-point star is
Star is the
best.
best. Yeah, yes, right.
And if you choose 4-point star, it will look like the satellite and the rocket are in ninja space.
Ninja space. Acha, okay. So what we are going to choose?
Stars, 5-point star.
5-point star. Okay.
Like this small.
We can make it small, large, and too small.
This is
Like, right?
This is too small.
This is too small. Okay.
Like a dot.
Like a dot.
What?
And what is it?
Erasing it.
It's a bigger than others. Okay.
And this is the biggest. No, I will not do this. I will erase this with this.
Okay, fine. You erased it.
Now done. Now I need legs of the satellite. For
You
that,
need legs. Okay.
For that we need this type of line. You cannot take straight line because there is no straight line. This only line you can make like this.
Okay.
Sorry.
Which one you are going to choose?
This one. Choose it only. Line.
What?
Line.
This line. Okay. You're choosing
Not
this
the
line.
curved line.
Curved line.
Curved
Not the curved line. Okay.
Or
Okay.
curved.
Straight line you are going to choose.
Yes.
Okay.
Like this. Done. And like this. Yes. For
These are
standing.
legs
For standing.
for standing. Okay. We need legs obviously for standing. We all need legs.
And if you want to make sun, you can make sun over here. So I'm going to make the sun over here as a large circle. I can also make the moon over by removing these 2 stars and placing 2 stars over here.
Okay. Nice.
So I am removing these two stars with the eraser tool. This one.
You can use a big eraser, no?
Yes, but I can do like that. So then, after removing the stars with eraser tool, this one, then we need oval again,
Oval again.
like this.
So what is
small.
this?
The Earth's moon.
Moon. Okay. Sun and moon.
Yes.
This is
I
sun.
will place the two stars down here.
Okay. Okay. Those two stars you are placing
And-
here. Okay.
And this small star means too much far away. This is too much far away. That's
Too much?
far away
Okay.
from the sun. That's why it is small.
That's why it's small. Okay.
This is another small star.
Hmm.
Then I need to do now the design of this
Okay.
beams and the satellite.
You're going to make the design.
Then pentagon.
So which one you're going to choose?
I choose the diamond.
Diamond shape. Oh.
I will place a small diamond over here, or I can move this one here. Okay.
Reshape.
Like that. I will place over here and place 4 stars over here and over here. Small.
Okay.
Here is
4 diamonds you are
here,
placing here.
Yeah. Here is a small.
Okay. Small.
In the wings, we need to design these stars or these four.
Okay.
Don't do
For
this,
wings, right?
for wings. Don't do these 4 pointed stars. You can do 5 or 6.
Okay.
Don't
we
do
can
the 4.
Okay. Okay.
I'm doing this. You can
So-
do also that in one wing there is 5 stars, 5 pointed stars, or another wing has 6 pointed stars.
Okay.
But I'm not doing that. That will look sometimes bad.
What?
That will look bad.
Okay. So which one is
I'm gonna choose the 5 pointed.
5 points? So there is.
Place maximum 3 stars.
Okay. It looks good, na?
Yes.
Place it on a right way. Okay.
Yes. How the wings look.
Yeah, it's good. It's looking good.
Next one smaller. One smaller star. Please.
Okay. They are different. Next.
Next, now we are gonna do the color.
Okay, we are going to
Color.
do
There
colors.
are many types of brushes. You can choose any one of them.
So
this one.
which one you are going to choose? This
This
one.
one.
Okay.
is-
Okay.
Not this one.
Not this one.
This is spray. This is the normal one, and this. You can also do. There is a button known as undo. CTRL plus Z. You can press. Undo last action means if you press this, it will gone. Just this.
It's gone.
I need to place these stars again.
So this video is for beginners, kids who are going to make.
Now it's time to color.
That's right, together.
So first we are gonna do the rocket roll.
Okay.
For the rocket, first we need red.
You need red. Okay. So we're going to put colors. So this drawing is for
Oh, it's
space lovers, right?
yes.
Yeah. So you like space?
Yes.
What?
Yes, yes. Why this shape is not going now?
Okay.
And this is
So space lovers,
this
you can do
is-
this. Yeah.
This
Tell me.
this eraser is kidding me. Why is this eraser not going off these two? Ah!
This is fun, na?
Uh, now this is right.
His eraser is not working.
Now it worked.
Now it worked?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Now it worked.
Now it's working. What are you doing? Why you place this color over here like this way?
You can also do this. This spray can.
Are you going to?
Here, finish
Yeah,
color.
you forgot that.
Forgot.
So we have to choose this.
Now are you red?
This.
Yes, done. Now we need grey. There are 2 types of grey. Grey minus 50% area. Another one is grey minus 25%. Another is this grey.
So
It's lavender. You can choose.
do it faster.
Done.
You done?
Or,
Okay, it
or-
looks good.
Or this one.
Okay, anything you can choose.
What is this one?
The light one or dark one. You choose
I choose
dark one, right?
Yes. Now we need blue because
Do for
blue for glasses. When we color glasses, we color the glasses with blue colors.
which one you're going to
These-
choose? Mine means the
like-
dark blue, sky blue.
There is turquoise, another light turquoise, another one's it's blue gray,
So which one you're going to choose
and there is one indigo.
for glasses?
For glasses, it's better to choose turquoise.
Okay, so you did it. Next.
Now there is one thing that these are gonna be like this color. So that for that you can use gray minus 50%.
Okay.
Place this.
This also gray.
I didn't do the fire because these are standing. I didn't do the fire.
How you're going to make the fire?
I need to do this black and choose this white. For the fire, I need. Or else you can also do the fire. I'm not doing it because it needs a hard work.
Okay.
For that, if you need to make fire, you can make with this and this, but that's a hard work. So that's why I'm not making the fire.
Okay. So
Let's go to again fill
it's
with color.
in our option.
Yes.
We can do fire
Or not.
or not. That our choice.
Now it is the time to do the not the sun. Oh my god.
It looks good, na?
This face is always blue.
No, it's black.
Nope.
No?
No, I will not.
No,
do
no, 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 no.
It is.
What?
It
It was. You
No,
made
it
this.
will be not black. It will be indigo.
It will be indigo, but I like that black.
Ah.
Okay, let's start with it.
What is this? Foreground color and background. Oh.
So, which color you are going to choose?
For first, we need to do this satellite. Next,
Okay, we are going to make the satellite.
for the
Which
red,
color?
for red, you are gonna make this normal.
We are going to put red color
We'll put
on the top.
We put on top of the robot. We already put the antenna and colored it as red. The
Okay.
top ball. Now this one will be like this, but it will be lighter gray. Now,
Which color?
what will be like this? This is
light gray.
It will be light gray. Or you can also choose this, but it will
No, it's
remind
light
us-
gray is looking
But
good.
it will get some deeper.
Okay.
Into this.
You know better. I have no idea about it. Next is yellow.
For the star.
Yellow. Okay, stars.
Why is not this? That again we need to choose turquoise again and blue.
Okay.
You can take any colors for the diamond, but not deep colors, because if the diamond is deep, then the satellite
Okay,
will
okay,
be
okay.
black. Because it's light satellite, light gray.
So
So
for those diamonds, you are going to choose
For those diamonds, I'm gonna choose
which one?
I'm gonna like
Okay.
it. It is like a dark gem.
Do you like gem?
Yes, like too much gem.
I too like gems.
I like diamonds. Oh,
I like diamonds too.
there is more space over there. What shall I do with this space?
You don't need to do anything with this space.
You can choose
Orange?
orange or yellow.
Yellow.
It's yellow
Orange or yellow? Which one?
or gold. Gold is not bad, but don't choose.
Don't
Okay.
choose gold. Okay.
But
So
if you choose gold, the sun will be made of gold. Everyone will go to mine the sun. I'm choosing the orange because
Okay.
sun
Put
is
that orange color.
like this.
Oh, it's a
In the
bright,
moon,
bright one,
you
right?
can do like this. You can also use ray minus 25% for moon.
Okay.
You can also take oval to make some craters on the moon. Oh, it is small too much. I'm not gonna do the craters because it's too much for kids.
Okay.
Now it's again yellow for these stars. Oh. And boom, boom.
Okay. So we are done.
Now,
Okay. Next.
now it's time to
Oh, I forgot that black color should be.
not
No,
black.
no. Black.
Not-
So we are done.
Let me-
Yeah. Black. It looks good.
Can I don't do some spray on this? Oh, there is one more star left over here. Didn't see that.
Yellow.
Go it over here. I can do some spray for the light. Okay, for that I need brushes.
So you are choosing black color, right?
Yes, and then some orange for spray.
Why this?
For sun's rays.
You don't need to use the sun rays.
Why?
You don't need to use this.
Okay,
Undo.
then.
Okay, done. We are done.
Wo- These legs are not seen. Yeah, I can do
Da.
with this. I don't need shapes. I can do like this. Do you remember when I was doing the stars, this water was getting yellow?
Yeah.
So that's why I'm gonna do the legs as orange, because orange is great at black. If you do orange like, oh, the whole one orange. Red.
So
Okay, I can do this one. So
Use the
now, like, boom,
oh,
it's shiny. Oh.
it's shining, na?
Yes.
Show me the whole one. Show me the whole painting, whole drawing.
Oh.
Oh, that's nice. So
Ooh, nothing is there in
so we are done.
down. Can you do
Okay.
the arcs down?
Make it left side. Right.
Wait.
Right.
Huh?
Right side.
But I need to do one more thing. I need to undo again. Why is this not undone?
Why you are doing undo if it's not done?
Because I will choose again orange for
Why
this
you-
border.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Now
Now it
choose
will.
black.
Now it will shine.
That's
You can also do the earth over here, means from the satellite has launched from the
So we are
earth.
not going to do this. Just make it down. Yeah. Right.
This is
Go on the
this
right
is
side.
moon.
Go on the left side.
Oh, this
Our
is-
viewers want to see. Yeah, that's good.
I have named that Olimasi and Dunax drawing of space. You can. I will also write this as exercise. Where is the X? Exercise. or class 1. I will do this.
Class 4.
Okay.
Bracket.
No, 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 no. No, I don't need to get it.
You don't need bracket. Where is the space?
Now you can.
Where is the?
You don't need space.
Finally, we have done.